All right, everyone. In this video, we are going to be talking about the isomers whenever you have a double bond. So whenever you have alkenes, so we can have cis and trans configuration. And we'll also learn about E and Z configuration. Both are very similar. We'll talk about them with the examples, okay? All right. So to get started, guys, let me first of all draw a structure here, okay? So here. And let's say we put a double bond at this position. Okay. Now, uh, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. There's one more way for me to draw 5 carbons. Okay, let me number both of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one, of course, has the double bond sitting here. So both are alkenes, double bond starting at position number 2. Both are 5 carbons, right? So their formula is the same. Both of them are C5H10, right? Remember, alkenes have the general formula CnH2n. So if I have 5 carbons if I have 5 carbons, I should have 10 hydrogens if I'm dealing with an alkene, right? Okay, so both of them are C5H10. What is the difference between them? The difference is that the way the double bond is oriented. So where the double bond is, you see the carbon here is going down, right? And the carbon here is going up. So this guy is pointing up on this side and this guy is pointing down. So this is different from this case. Here, this carbon is pointing down, just like this one, pointing down. But the 3 and 4 is also pointing down. So that's the difference, guys. When they're pointing against each other, you call that trans configuration. When both are in the same direction, we call that cis configuration. Okay, so let me remove all the arrows from here so that it's less confusing. Again, the idea is that when this carbon going down and this carbon is going up, that's trans. This carbon going down and this carbon going down as well is cis. Why are we dealing only with this carbon and this carbon and also this carbon and this carbon? Because we are interested in the carbons which are connected to the double bond. Okay, we are not worried about where is this carbon going. We're worried about this carbon and we're worried about this carbon number 1. So carbon number 4 and carbon number 1, same thing, carbon number 1 and carbon number 4, because those are 2 carbons that are directly attached to the double bond. Okay, so what should be the full name, guys, for this? This is simply trans 2-pentene, because you got pentene with trans configuration, double bond at position number 2, and this guy is just cis 2-pentene. So guys, both of them are 2-pentene or pent-2-ene, whatever you want to call it. Both of them are 2-pentene, but one is trans, one is cis. Okay. All right.